Om Swastiastu, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever and whenever you watch my presentation video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I would like to present my quantitative research proposal. And before that, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Made Heri Sentosa as a supervisor in writing this proposal. And here I want to introduce myself. So my name is Igede Sentane Swardana. I'm from 4A class. And next, the title of my research proposal is Student Perspective of Using Manual Dictionary and Electronic Dictionary in Learning Vocabulary in 8th grade Junior High School number 1 Kubu Tambahan. In this presentation, there are three things that will be the topics focus. The first is the research background, literature review, and methodology of this research. So the first is the background. The background of my research is dictionary are a useful source of information in teaching English. And dictionary make things easier to explain than in words. A student can get valuable information by reading dictionaries. And dictionary is a reference that contains a list of words equipped with a description of the meaning in accordance with a particular language. According to Walsh and Chubilo in the State of Kocha et al. 2014, dictionary provide useful linguistic and culture information, especially when teachers are not available and students are responsible for their own learning. And there are two types of English dictionary that students often use in learning, namely electronic dictionary and book dictionary. In this era of sophisticated technology, many students switch to using electronic dictionary instead of book dictionary because electronic dictionary are more complete, fast, easy, practice, and attractive, inexpensive, and easy to carry anywhere. However, there are also students who still choose use book dictionary because there are many examples of sentence as the application of a words, making it easier student to distinguish the meaning and function of each word. And vocabulary is and the background. The second background of my proposal is about vocabulary. Vocabulary is a set of words that are owned by person or their entirety, or are parts of particular language. And the words of person vocabulary is generally considered to be a reflection of this intelligence or level of education. And the addition of one's vocabulary is generally considered an important part, both in the process of learning a language or developing one's ability in language that has been mastered. So because that, I'm very interested to find out a student perspective about the using manual dictionary and electronic dictionary in learning vocabulary in 8th grade Junior High School number 1 Kubu Tambahan. And next slide, please. Okay, the next I will explain about the limitation of the study. This study focus on student perspective, the use of dictionary in vocabulary learning in 8th grade Junior High School number 1 Kubu Tambahan, which is more effective between using a manual dictionary and using an electronic dictionary in learning vocabulary. Next. Okay, the next about research problem and purpose of the study. The research problem in this study is, the first is, what are the student perspective on using manual dictionary and electronic dictionary in learning vocabulary? And the second, problem is how is the comparison between the use of manual dictionary and application dictionary in grade 8 junior high school number 1 Kubutamahan. And the purpose of the study is to find out a student perspective of using manual and electronic dictionary in junior high school, and to find out the comparison between the use of manual dictionary and application dictionary in 8th grade student of junior high school number 1 Kubutamahan. Next. Okay, the next of significance of the study. And the result of the study are expected to be beneficial, theoretical, and practical as follows. The first is theoretical significance. And the results of this study are expected to enrich empirical reference regarding the perspective of using dictionary between manual dictionary and electronic dictionary in learning English. This research is also expected to be a reference in using dictionary effectively and providing information about which dictionary are more effective if used at the junior high school level. And practical significance for the student. The research is expected to provide information to students about which dictionary is more effective in learning vocabulary at the 8th grade junior high school level. And for the lecture, this research is expected to be useful for lecture in using a dictionary when teaching, whether using a manual dictionary or an electronic dictionary, so that the learning process become comfortable and the learning objectives are achieved. And next, for the researcher, this research is expected to be useful for other researchers to be a reference in using dictionary and also in conducting another research related to this topic. Next. Okay, next about literature review. There are some theory or some theory that used in my research. The first about perspective, dictionary, vocabulary, and empirical review. And the first about perspective. In this study, there are several theories that relate to the topic of my research. The first is the definition of perception. According to Nelson and Quick, as stated in Annex 2009, is a process of interpretation and the acquisition, sorting, and also arrangement from outside human, and then absorbed by human sense to be processed by brain. And according to Lew, 2010, and expressed his view on traditional printed dictionary, he said that traditional printed dictionary have used a repertoire of device to present meaning in paper dictionary, mostly related to words. And according to Krida Laksana about dictionary, Krida Laksana state that a dictionary is a reference book that contains a list of words or combination of words with description of various aspects of their meaning and use in language, usually arranged alphabetically. And according to Karaf about vocabulary, that vocabulary is all the words that are owned by language. Kraft's opinion provides confirmation that the real vocabulary it is a whole word that belongs to a language. And according to Krida Laksana about vocabulary, Krida Laksana states that vocabulary is the richness of a word possessed by a reader or writer of a language. And there are several empirical reviews which support of theoretical before. But here I only put 3 of several empirical reviews that I put in my literature review. The first study by Rohmatillah in 2016 with title Dictionary Usage in English Language Learning. And the study examined about the importance of using dictionary in English learning. And the second study by Thilan and et al. 2021 with the title The Difference Effect of Paper Dictionary versus Online Dictionary. This study explains about the effect of paper dictionary and online dictionary on user and problem in using both types of dictionary. This study was conducted at Van Lang University, and the result is found that most of the students use the dictionary regularly as an effective tool to improve their language level in terms of improving vocabulary. And the third study by Hamdi in 2015 with title The Effect of Electronic Dictionary Use on Reading Comprehension and Vocabulary Retention of EVL Student. This comprehension and vocabulary EVL student retention. And next about methodology. Okay, and the design of the study is in the study use survey design. Survey research is a detailed description of the background, characteristic, and characteristic of a case or event of a general nature. And according to Sugiono, a survey is a research conducted using a questionnaire as a research tool conducted on large and small population. But the data study are data from sample taken from the population, so that the relative incidence distribution and the relationship between variable sociological and psychological. And in the study, to survey student perception about using manual dictionary and application dictionary in learning vocabulary in grade 8 junior high school number 1 Kebutamhan, and any influence of electronic dictionary and in student vocabulary mastery in junior high school number 1 Kebutamhan. Okay, and next about the setting of the study. In conducting the research, there must be a subject to be studied according to Suryana 2019, and a subject study called research subject. It is someone or thing that can give us an accurate data research or search which can be researched by using observation method. The subject in this research is 8th grade student in junior high school number 1 Kebutamhan. I chose 8th grade as the research subject because in 8th grade students were familiar with cell phone and other social media. Sometimes there are children who are very engrossed in cell phone and ignore books more. Therefore, in learning, sometimes students prefer to learn to use gadget rather than using books. Okay, and next about the method and instrument data collection. In the study, use web questionnaire, which is the theory from Wilson and Birmingham in 2006. And the types that are used. This question is closed question. For the question, use a rating scale question, and for measurement, use linking scale. The response fill the questionnaire consists of agree, strong agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. And the second research instrument is guide interview. Interview is really important to get the data because it will show us about personal experience. And in this research, we will give some oral question to the student about student perception towards the using manual dictionary and application dictionary in learning vocabulary in junior high school number 1 Kebutamhan. And next about data analysis. Data analysis is finding compiling process of test and observation data systematically by organizing data and selecting the important parts of the study that is need to be studied and to make easy to understand. Students should make a conclusion. And the analysis data are the observation results and notes field that is used to know the perception of about using manual dictionary and application dictionary in learning vocabulary in 8th grade junior high school number 1 Kebutamhan. And in this research, I also attach a research schedule timeline and the appendix of this research proposal. As you can see in the slide, this is a research schedule of my research, and following a description of these activities that will take place for 1 semester or 6 months. Next slide, please. Okay, and that's the end of my presentation. I'm sorry if there are still many mistakes, and very often for my friend to give me my comment. Santi. Om Santi, Santi, Santi.